Here's 6 ebook marketing ideas guaranteed to grow sales directly from ConvertKit. I'm going to go over these ideas briefly. Be sure to click the link below this video for the full guide. Build a hyper-interested email list with a specific lead magnet. Lead magnets are free downloadable incentives you give your audience in exchange for joining your email list. The ultimate rule of lead magnets: the more specific they are, the more targeted an audience you'll attract. By offering something closely related to your ebook, you can build an email list packed with people who can't wait to hear from you about the topic of your ebook. Pre-sell your ebook. Instead of writing your entire ebook before kicking off sales, you can outline your ebook idea, share it with your audience, and use pre-orders to spark engagement and attract early supporters. Pre-selling your ebook means you're getting actual money from people who want the ebook, often before you've even finished writing. Show what's inside with a table of contents. Sharing your ebook's table of contents is an easy, powerful way to stand out from other ebooks and digital products on a similar topic to yours. It's similar to the free chapter strategy from earlier. While the free chapter shows what the rest of the ebook looks and feels like, the table of contents shows every subtopic you're covering in the ebook. Use automated email sequences. The benefit of automated email sequences is right there in their name. They're automated. You only need to write and set them up once. They'll do the hard work of promoting your ebook on autopilot. Add and promote extra ebook formats and additional resources. Remember that your ebook isn't just an ebook. Yes, it's packaged in a PDF with a certain number of pages, but an ebook is much more than that. It's the key for your reader to achieve the result they want. Some of your ideal readers may want to read a Kindle ebook instead of a PDF on a desktop or tablet. Others may like listening to books more than reading them. Build and nurture a dedicated social following. The final way to promote your ebook is less of an ebook launch strategy and more of an overall approach to how you market and position yourself as a creator. Becoming a creator isn't about one successful launch. It's about consistently showing up and teaching everything you know. By doing this, you'll build a following on social media that's about more than just numbers. Click the link below this video for the full guide.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value and check out some of my other videos.